Hey guys, it's Nick from Reality Daydream, and today is Insulation Day. We partnered up with Rockwool to talk about their insulation and how great it is for this application. Check it out.
For this application, we used an insulation method called flash and bat. It consists of two layers of insulation. The first being a closed cell spray foam, which is about 2 inches thick, and the second being a bat. For our bat, we chose Rockwool. Let's talk about Rockwool insulation. What is it? Rockwool insulation is an insulation that's made out of volcanic rock and slag. These two components make it an excellent choice for moisture and fire resistance. Before we get started with our installation, let's talk about safety. Proper PPE includes gloves, a dust mask, eye protection, and long sleeves. Alright, let's get into it. As you can see, I have several can lights that I need to cut around. First, I measure to the center line of the can light. Then I transfer that measurement to the Rockwool. I cut the Rockwool at that line. Then I take the Rockwool back up to the ceiling and mark out where the can light is. Now, cut out the can light. You want to cut a little bit smaller than the can light itself. Also, you'll see I'm marking the electrical box for the can light. We want to cut that out about halfway down. It's not a bad idea to cut a slot for the wires. It takes a little effort to get the insulation around the can light completely. Grab the other half and mark that. Now that's one good looking can light. Whew! Last piece. On this piece we're cutting an opening for our in-ceiling speaker. Want to give a big thanks to Rockwool for partnering with us on this project. And as always, if you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see others like it, please give us a big thumbs up and a like down below.